this is LmKeith at BISH'S RV in Junction City, Oregon, and I am going to show you the 2022 Outlaw, and this is a really amazing thing. It is a toy hauler as well as a Class A. It's made by Thor, and it has some pretty cool attributes. Outdoor TV is one of them. So you can sit out here, and we'll put the awning out later. It's got the party lights, the LEDs up there, all sorts of storage down below, and two entrances. So you can go in the front or the back. The back is for the toy hauling. It's got two couches. It's got a fold-down bed. Really like it when they have good stairs. Some of them, you feel like you're on a stair climber at the gym and it feels like you're going way uphill. This one, a little easier entrance. So here we are inside. Lovely colors, a little more bold than some of the others, but I think it's because it is a toy hauler. You got black and red and white. Got your wall-mounted TV, plenty of storage. We've got a couch that makes into a bed, the dinette that makes into a bed. It's got under the seat storage that pulls out, nice drawers. Great kitchen with a 2-burner gas stove and an induction range. Got a great convection oven that does everything you could want it to do and more. Kind of like an air fryer, kind of like a standard oven, just a little bit more. Really nice feature that we just noticed when we walked in. There's a spice rack, and it's got just the little bit of storage so that when you're driving, all your spices aren't going to fall all over the place. Great cupboards everywhere. Huge refrigerator, freezer. Great bathroom, lots of space in there. And the bedroom, the main bedroom. This is a king-size bed, and it sits up like this for travel and for if you want to lay there and read, because you know I like to read in bed. There's the reading lights, tons of great cupboard space in here, closet space, cupboards, closet, whatever you want to call them. And there's even a throw in there. Isn't that great? Nice drawers. Watch your head when you step down. Now we're going into the cargo area, which I think is pretty amazing on a Class A. You've got two couches. These lay flat so they can be beds. And then you also have a bunk upstairs with storage and more wall-mounted TV. And all of this goes down for loading your toys. It's the ramp for loading, but it's also becomes the patio. You've got the screens and the glass to close the patio doors, but also the rail to go around the edge so that it's like you have your own little deck. But go ahead and come on over here and see the cool bunk up there. There's actually a ton of space. Lots of room for the monkeys. You know, the monkeys jumping on the bed, you remember that. This is LmKeith at BISH'S RV in Junction City, and if you have any questions about this or any other unit, you go ahead and give us a call. This is the Thor Outlaw 2022, and this is the extra door.